So we're just reviewing a little bit about vertex form and quadratic equation. Remember, the shape of a parabola is a U shape or an upside down U. Okay. So we're going to just go through a couple of these. All right. We are looking right here at y equals x squared plus 5. So from this, I know that the vertex is going to be, there's nothing being added or subtracted in parentheses, so that's 0. But I am also going up 5. So we've got that. My A value is 1. My A value is 1. My H value is 0. My K value is 5. Now I can go here and find all my points. When I plug in -2, I get 9. When I plug in -1, I get 6. When I plug in 0, I get 5, knowing that's my vertex. When I plug in 1, I get 6. See how it started repeating itself? And when I plug in 2, I get 9. And then I can plot these points over here just to see what they look like. We've got -2 is 9. We've got -1 is 6. We've got 0 is 5. We've got 1 is 6. And we've got 2 is 9. And we end up with this nice U shape here. Then we can answer the rest of these questions. This parabola opens up. We shifted from 0, 0, we went up 5. The line of symmetry is x equals 0. It's where I can cut it in half and fold it in half, and it's the same on both sides. It is the same as x squared. I didn't change the width of my parabola. It does have a minimum, not a maximum. And how does it increase? Over what interval does it increase when x is greater than 0, it is increasing. When it is x is less than 0 is when it's decreasing. To make that lovely U shape. Calculate the average rate of change. This is all about slope. So when I plug in 1, I get 6. And when I plug in 2, I get 9. So those are my 2 points I'm using. And then I am simply going 9 minus 6. I'm going to put those in parentheses. Divided by 2 minus 1. And I get a slope, which in this case is 3. Now I'm going to do the same thing with -2 and 0. When I plug in -2, I get out 9. And when I plug in 0, I get out 5. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to go 5 minus 9 divided by 0, 2 minus 0. And I am going to get, I'm sorry, it's 0 minus 2. A -2. And I'm going to get -2 is my answer. And then we're going to just do another problem, very similar. Okay, what is the formula for vertex? It's the opposite of H and K, or it is H. It's just the opposite of that right there. When does a parabola get wider? When A is less than 0. When A is less than 0. Okay, we're looking here at number 5, and we want to look at what the vertex is. I'm going to go ahead and answer A and H and K first. A is 1. There's nothing in front of my x. H is 4. Remember, it's the opposite of what's inside. And the K is 0. There's nothing being added. So my vertex is going to be 4, 0. So I'm going to plug in some numbers. When I plug in 2, I get 4. When I plug in, that was weird. Love technology. When I plug in 3, I get 1. When I plug in 5, 3, I get 1. When I plug in 4, I get 0. Excuse me, let's do that vertex. When I plug in 5, I get 1. And when I plug in 6, I get 4. So it's that nice symmetry where it's just repeating itself. So we've got 2, 4, 3, 1, 0, 4, 5, 1, 6, 4, and we get this nice U shape here. So my parabola is still going up. My vertex shifted to the right 4. The line of symmetry is x equals 4. That's where I could fold it in half. It is the same width as x squared. It has a minimum. Where is it increasing? When x is greater than 4, it increases. When x is less than 4, it decreases. And we've got those fun find a slope thing again. So we're right here. When I plugged in 4, I got 0. And when I plugged in 6, I got 4. So we're just going to go 4 minus 0 all over 6 minus 4. And 4 minus 0 over 6 minus 4 equals 2. We're going to do the same thing here with 3 and 4. When I plug in 3, I get 1. When I plug in 4, I get 0. So when I go 0 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 3, I end up with -1. So that is it. There's more here, but that is where we're going to stop right now for looking at vertex form.